How to use FBD Disability Insurance Ireland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. FBD disability insurance in Ireland is designed to replace part of your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Yet many people make mistakes that can reduce coverage or even result in claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is they are not. One common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some FBD policies cover only your own occupation, while others cover any occupation. Choosing the wrong type can leave you with partial or no benefits if your condition prevents you from working only in your usual role. Neglecting the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the time you must wait before benefits start. Longer waiting periods lower premiums but leave you financially exposed, while shorter waiting period costs more but provide faster support. Choosing the right period for your savings and monthly expenses is critical. Underestimating the benefit amount is another trap. Your coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial commitments. Selecting too low benefit might save money on premiums, but it could leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Ignoring optional riders is another mistake. FBD offers extras such as residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Skipping these can limit flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. FBD requires full transparency during both application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, FBD Disability Insurance Ireland can provide strong income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Select the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.